What makes our UV resin lamp the best when it comes to curing? Let's go over some of the features that it has and why it's so popular. I am going to show you why the MagicCure is taking the industry by storm. This is the first ever UV resin lamp that was specifically developed for UV resin crafting. So let's go over some of the features and benefits of this piece so that you can see why everyone loves it so much. For one thing, it's cordless. So you can recharge it right here and it will last for hours. So you can freely use it without having to keep it plugged in. If it happens to die though, you can still use it while it's plugged in, which is great. So that's one of the great features. Another one is our screen and buttons are facing you. So when you're putting your pieces in and curing them, you have all the controls right here at arm's reach, and it's easy to see on the screen the countdown timer and the wattage that you have selected. You have a nice magnetic tray that snaps right onto the bottom. The nice thing about that is it will provide a 360 cure. So if you're doing something like pens and you don't want to have to spin the pen inside the lamp, you are now going to be able to get that 360 cure with that mirrored bottom and the mirrored inside lamp. This has lots of bulbs, including bulbs that come all the way to the front. It's a special kind of LED bulb, and it has a 50,000 hour bulb life. So you're never going to have to change those pesky bulbs ever again. One of the really nice features also is the adjustable wattage here. You can see the gauge starts at 6 watts and goes up to 48 watts. The slower the cure, the better the finish. So in order to achieve that glass-like finish that's perfect, we want to start that wattage out at 6 watts and slowly work our way up to 48 watts. This has been tested and proven to give you the best finish on your pieces. Not only do you have the adjustable wattage, but you also have the adjustable timers. So you will have 60, 90, and 120 depending on what project you're working on. You have full flexibility with the MagicCure lamp. There are also some other great features when it comes to curing larger pieces. For instance, there are little feet on the bottom of your lamp right here. All you have to do is pull those little feet out and it will raise your lamp so that you can fit larger pieces inside. If you're working on a tumbler or something like that that requires an upright stand position, you can stand it upright, put your tumbler under there or a larger piece, and you'll be able to cure that as well. One of the most talked about things with the MagicCure is its ease of use and portability. With it being cordless, you can move it around your workstation easily from project to project without moving your piece. When you're moving your UV resin pieces, sometimes they can become unlevel, causing restriction lines in your art. This way, you can move the lamp to your piece without the risk of ruining your piece. So start achieving that perfect finish and get your MagicCure today.